I just moved to the Nevada, Arizona region, and all the locals are telling me that I need to check out Lake Havasu City. So, and there is a very special reason why they want me to check out Lake Havasu City, and I can see it over there. So, let's see if Lake Havasu City lives up to the hype.
Bright lights and colors, love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam, night or day. I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. We are dreams, we are candles, we are lights, we are believers, we are safe with each other, with each other. But are we at the end? Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam, night or day. I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Hi everybody, if you're new here, my name is Amy and I'm a Tangerine, and I just moved to the Nevada, Arizona region from Florida. And if you're not new here and you saw my previous videos where my son and I took a 2,200 mile road trip across the country to get here, he has now since flew back to Florida, picked up his car, and drove to Michigan, where he will be buying a house, which is kind of awesome because I grew up in Michigan, so now I'm gonna have a place to stay in Michigan and also get to be here with family as well. So today we are in Lake Havasu City. The next video that I was supposed to do was the train ride into Grand Canyon, but as life would have it, we got a flat tire on the way and we completely missed the train. So I'm going to wait until my daughter gets here in April to take the train ride into the Grand Canyon. So look for that coming up in April. I'm wearing my Buc-ee's shirt, you know, keeping it classy. Boats are rocking, don't come a knocking. So let's go check out Lake Havasu. We're gonna do the water first, and then the thing that the locals want you to check out. Let's go have a wonderful Lake Havasu adventure kind of a day. Parked up there, free parking, came down here. Look at this. And I wish I could put the smell through the camera. It smells woodsy and fresh air and the crisp water because the Colorado River is right behind us. But look at this. You can tell it's got like little lights, so like it's lit up at night. That's beautiful. Place where you can sit and say a little prayer. It's the Colorado River. I'm sorry, but this is incredible and I am never leaving. If you want me, this is where you will find me. It looks like a postcard. Like, it doesn't even seem like real life. And the smell of the trees and the water and the fresh air. It's like a woodsy, incredible smell. We are not in Florida anymore, y'all. Stay on the guided path. Well, guided path, the sidewalk, Amy. Or you can head down to the water, which of course, I'm a water baby. I really do miss the ocean in Florida. But I get this. Dog park up there, and then they have restrooms as well. If you ever come here, there's plenty of pets enjoying the day, and the restrooms are good for us humans. Clear that water is. Phew. Into paradise. I agree. It really is. A place to play tennis. There's like basketball courts, tennis. I love how every tree has this kind of like memorial plaques of people for like their loved ones. There's a playground. This is an incredible city for families. I love Lake Havasu City. Picnic tables, and you can barbecue as well. There's people kayaking. So awesome. Let's get out of here. This is incredible. The beach area here. It's cold today. I don't know. It's like in the 50s. Very cold to go swimming, but perfect day for a walk. This will be awesome in the summertime. You bet your buns I'm coming back here. Summer, you can rent jet skis. It is December, so this is not open today. But this is going to be incredible this summer. So much fun to be had. You ever have days where life just doesn't feel real? Like it's so good that it's like, is this real? Lake Havasu City. Y'all, earlier this year I was wandering around Disney World. And now wow. They have a golf course over there. Look at this, y'all. It is December 23rd. They've got this memorial all decked out. And Christmas, all kinds of rock stones with her name on it. That is really special. Wendy died in 1994. Way too young. This way because we're going to get on that side and walk along there. That is after the London Bridge, you all. A London Bridge. Ready? I don't think you're ready for this. Are you ready? London Bridge. It's the London Bridge. Hey y'all, this is so special. This is an actual bridge that was in London over the Thames River that was taken apart brick by brick, sent over here to America, and rebuilt in Lake Havasu. All decked out for Christmas. This would look incredible at nighttime. They've got decorations on it. I didn't think I was going to get this close to it. Dock way to go down here. Let's go down here. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the time roll away. Here, the hotel resort heat, where you can rent rooms, and your view is the London Bridge. Not a bad way to live life right here, standing underneath a London Bridge. Yeah, he can't believe it either. Who wants to walk across this bad baby? Me! Let's go. Bridge! I drove across this You can drive across this, and we're gonna walk across it. Look at the mountains too. Wow. This day, you all, this is looking this way. This is where we were walking. Up this way, and you got the mountains over here. And there's a riverboat and some shops and some places to eat. We're gonna check that out there. They do have another London Bridge resort down there as well if you ever want to come here and stay. The London Bridge was placed here September 23rd, 1968 by the founder of Lake Havasu City, Robert McCullough. Tours and excursions on the Colorado River. It's pretty amazing. That would be really fun to do. Wow, look at this. It's a whole thing. You gotta have the iconic telephone booth. There is the London Bridge from the other side. Equally as beautiful. Maybe even more so from this side. Really cool photo opportunity here. This is so cute. Look at this stuff. Adorable dogs everywhere. So mail letters to Santa here. And there's the sleigh. The incredible walkways. We're gonna take the ferry boat, and it's just $4 per person. $4. On the boat. A lot of people went downstairs, but I am for open fresh air.
This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
And I didn't know that this takes you to the casino and then it takes off on the bottom of every hour. So I guess y'all, that means we are going to a casino. You know, fate leads you where it leads you. You can't fight with fate. Decided to eat at the restaurant at the casino. Look at this view. We're eating outside.
We also have a full bar that I can walk over to.
Got the menu. Don't have any idea what I'm gonna get. My table.
You're hired.
I'm just trying to get this moving here.
Thank you.
Here goes the boat
I've
that
got all
we're
day,
on.
but this one was with extra lemon.
So what am I gonna do with all this, y'all? That is a lot of food.
The bag was
Look at all
all
that
wrong,
guacamole.
Oh, don't be sorry.
I mean, what? Yeah. So.
So glad I decided to stay here. I probably won't gamble.
I don't know. I'm not gonna wait.
I'm just gonna eat because on Christmas Day I will be gambling. I'm kind of saving my money for that. Nothing says Christmas Day like gambling because you know that's what you do when you move to Nevada. I've acquired some buddies who want my nachos. They want the fake cheese.
Imagine if I did that to Chris.
What a life. What a life. This is fantastic. No one told me about this part. Everyone was talking about the London Bridge, but Lake Havasu City is so much more to that. A little boat water AMSR. All right, we are done with lunch. I didn't really care for the nachos because they had like fake cheese on it. I'm not a big proponent of fake cheese, but the service was incredible. The view was fantastic. And that casino in there, you all, is so good because it's smoke-free, non-smoking. So it was just a nice, quiet, beautiful little casino. Perfect. Like, this whole thing has been perfect.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
I do have to say that I was not happy to leave Walt Disney World at all. Like, I really struggled with having to leave. But sometimes life doesn't give you what you want, but it gives you what you need.
We are candles, we are lights, we are believers, we are safe with each other, with each other. But are we at the end? Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Alright, that'll do it for today's video. I love Lake Havasu City. Okay, it lived up to the hype. And y'all, I only spent like $30 today on lunch and then the boat ride. So I spent the entire day here and hardly spent any money at all. It's amazing. If you like this video, please check out my Polar Express Grand Canyon video. And I hope that you will subscribe and follow along for more adventures. And until we meet again, my friends, bye. And it's been fun. Let's do Lake Havasu City again. Bye. Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody. How come every time you come around my London bridge, you want to go down? Cut. It's the family show.